Hey Achiever fam, here's another gem from the Mother Nature, and it is interestingly called mummy or mummyo in Russian. This is the gift from the mountains of Himalayas. You already know this from the title, we're talking about Shilajit. It's a sticky tar-like material found mostly in Himalayan rocks. It's generated over generations through the slow decomposition of plants and other organic debris. Shilajit, a substance from the Himalayan mountains, has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. It was considered a rejuvenating substance with anti-inflammatory, anti-anxiety, and anti-aging properties. You are hearing so much anti, but it is in favor of your health. It's gained popularity in Russia, China, and the Middle East for improving physical and mental performance and treating conditions like diabetes and asthma. Today, Shilajit is used in traditional medicine and modern health supplements, with some traditional uses yet to be scientifically validated. But here's the juicy part. Shilajit's got this special molecule called fulvic acid that basically acts like a magnet for all those minerals, making them super easy for your body to absorb. But that's not all. Shilajit's also packed with antioxidants and immune-boosting champions. On top of that, Shilajit's got these building blocks called amino acids, which are basically the Legos of your muscles, immune system, and even your hormones. So yeah, this stuff is pretty darn epic. Shilajit is a mineral-rich ingredient that has been utilized in Ayurvedic treatment for millennia. That fulvic acid has been linked to improve cognitive function and memory. And you get increased energy because Shilajit has those energetic minerals like iron and magnesium. Those antioxidants packed in this magic plant help protect your body from free radicals, which can contribute to aging and disease. This stuff is like a mythical power-up straight from the mountains. Studies show it can seriously pump up your sperm count and motility. Well guys, sperm motility is how efficiently the sperm moves. Motility issues, such as slow or zero progression, can negatively impact fertility. And for ladies, it can help regulate those monthly cycles like a boss. If you're feeling inflamed, Shilajit's got your back, literally, with its anti-inflammatory superpowers that might even help with some chronic conditions. While early research shows no clear evidence about Shilajit potentially curing Alzheimer's and lowering cholesterol, we need more studies to confirm these godly feats, but hey, who knows? Maybe this sticky mountain herb has something more that we don't know. So, that's it for today. See you in another video.